Easy tricks of investing in rental property for beginners in the business. Renting a property is one of the things to do to earn money out of real estate investing. It is a different thing from buying and selling houses and properties. It means that investing in rental property for beginners will still need a bit of understanding at first. There are some easy tricks to do it cleverly with the idea of maximizing the possible income out of it. 1. Define the location. When it comes to real estate investment, location does matter. It is important to assess various things first to determine the value of a location to invest in rental property. The easiest indicator to spot is an area where the demands of rental properties are high, but the housing supply and vacancy rates are low. The ability to define whether an area is a good area to rent properties or not is crucial. 2. Choose the type of property. The types of property to rent in terms of investing in rental property for beginners will need to be determined first. It is possible to offer a house for rent or simply some areas of the house. It can also be an office building and even storage. Decide on which type of property to offer for rent and go for it. This should be following the location aspect that has been assessed previously. 3. Get additional funds. Despite the idea to rent the property, it will still need some funds as well to secure the property in the first place. It may well be needed a bit of touch-up here and there to optimize the property itself. Securing some additional funds is crucial to make sure that the idea of investing in rental property for beginners will deliver a good outcome in the end. 4. Maintain the property. When it comes to a property that is for rent, maintaining the property is the job of the owner. The renter will just have to inform the owner whenever something needs to be fixed or else. It is important to make sure that the property is at the best level at all times, so that the renter will find it comfortable to stay there and continue to rent the property. 5. Pick the right tenant. This is amidst the very crucial thing in terms of investing in rental property for beginners. Some of them will just rent the property to anyone interested to rent it without doing anything known as tenant screening. It is important to round up several possible tenants first, and decide which one to be given the property to rent. A good tenant will be helpful in rental property investment. Renting some properties is a great idea of real estate investment. It has a set of completely different things to pay attention, unlike buying and selling properties. Investing in rental property for beginners will need a bit of work at first to define many basic yet important things for the best possible outcome of the investment. Click the link below in the description to learn more.